How to navigate when viewing reports on Unity Enterprise. For the purposes of this video, we view the departmental sales report. Step 1. On the springboard menu, click on Reporting. Click on Reports. The report list will open. Click on the arrow next to Sales Reports. Scroll down and click on the Departmental Sales Report. Select the required node. Click Submit. Click on Period and enter the required calendar period. Click on Submit. Click on Departments. Click on Department Group and select Point of Sale Department. Please ensure that the name box is ticked and all the departments are ticked. Click Submit. Click Generate. Please wait while the report is being generated. Once the report has been generated, click on View. Please wait for the report to open. Step 2. Once the report is open, drag a column header of your choice here to group and view by that column. To view per product, drag and drop the product name column here. The product and quantity sold will appear together with total sales, both inclusive and exclusive of tax. Step 3. To expand or collapse all rows, click on this icon here. That is how to navigate when viewing reports on Unity Enterprise.